Today we're going to show you how to install studs from Motorsport Hardware. Motorsport Hardware has installation instructions online, so make sure to read the link in the description before installing studs on your car. The tools you need for this job are a breaker bar, a 17mm deep socket, a 5.5mm Allen key, a torque wrench, and some brake cleaner. Start by loosening your wheel bolts and jacking up your car. Always use jack stands and make sure your car is properly secured. Use some brake cleaner to clean your hub and threads. Glue Loctite will ensure the studs won't rattle loose, but also won't lock them in permanently if you want to remove them later. Manually thread the studs in and set your torque wrench to 25 foot-pounds. Torque your studs down carefully. Once all studs are installed, enjoy the view. Then install your new wheels. Or old wheels, or whatever. Lower the car and torque the lug nuts to factory spec. In our case, that was 85 foot-pounds. If you like this, subscribe to our channel where we repair and modify European cars. Thanks for watching.